Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete a repository on GitHub. This process is irreversible, so please make sure you really want to delete your repository before proceeding. First, go to the GitHub website. Then click on the Sign In button in the top right corner and enter your credentials. After logging in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Your Repositories. Find the repository you wish to delete and click on it. On the repository page, look for the Settings tab. It's usually at the end of the tab list, right after Insights. In the Settings section, scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see the Danger Zone. In the Danger Zone, you will see a section titled Delete this repository. You will be prompted with a checkbox stating, I understand the consequences, delete this repository. After selecting this option, confirm your understanding of the deletion effects by checking the box labeled, I have read and understand the consequences. Finally, GitHub will ask you to confirm the deletion. You need to type your GitHub username and the name of the repository to confirm that you want to delete it. After typing your GitHub username and repository name, click on the Delete this repository button to permanently delete the repository. And that's it. You have successfully deleted your repository on GitHub. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so make sure you have a backup if necessary. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.